In this video, you'll see Waze being mirrored from a pad onto the Tesla car's touchscreen using the TesDisplay app. After mirrored, we can manipulate Waze on Tesla's touchscreen directly. The main issue with direct pad navigation is the absence of a secure placement solution. However, by projecting it onto the Tesla screen, we can neatly store the pad inside the center armrest.
South 32 Jinping Gaosu Jinping Expressway.
We can zoom in, zoom out, drag, and rotate just like what we do on pad. Now let's start driving.
We're all set. Drive safely. In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Guangshen Beidajia Guangshen North Street.
The mirroring performance while driving is impressive, nearly matching the navigation experience of using the pad directly. Additionally, it offers a more expansive display compared to a phone, allowing for a richer view of content. TesDisplay supports both Android and iOS systems, available for download on Google Play and the App Store respectively. Follow this channel to discover more tips and tricks about TesDisplay. Thank you.